Uncle Ben. Happy birthday. 80th birthday nyo na pala. So, my birthday wish for you is more blessing for you and your family. Okay? So, kamusta kayo lahat dyan? And enjoy your celebration. Enjoy your birthday. Hope to see you soon. Bye!
Hi, Uncle Ben! Happy birthday! We wish you good health, and happiness, and more wealth!
Yay! Bye!
Bye, Ninong!
Already rolling. Kumusta, Uncle? Happy birthday! Hello! Nandito kami in Canada. Sa ngayon, it's minus 10. Anyway, happy birthday sa'yo. Alam ko, nagse-celebrate ka ngayon dyan at marami kang mga bisitang nagmamahal sa'yo. Siyempre, kasama kami doon. We love you. Thank you for being a good uncle. God bless you. And hope to see you soon. Say bye.
Bye! Bye!
Bye, Nene.
Uncle Ben, happy birthday. I wish you the best and good health. Happy Easter, everyone. Bye.
Hello. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Una sa lahat, binabati ko ang aking kapatid na si Ben sa kanyang 80th birthday. At sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyo. At good health ang wish ko sa iyo, good health. Sa mga nandyan naman, kumusta kayo? Lalo-lalo na sila Kuya Pilito, Auntie Nene, si Albert, si Ate Mireng, si Kitoy, si Tessie, si Kuya Tito, Pides, Joy, Joanne, Doktora Malu, Jake, Dagdok Datoy, Roda, Nonoy, Benji. Baka ako may makalimutan pa. Si Levi, at saka si Ryan, Joy, Joanne. Nasabi ko naman si Benji?
Oo.
Pasensya na kung hindi ko nasabi lahat. At saka yung mga apo sa tungkol. Kumusta kayo? Sana magkita-kita pa tayo next Christmas. At Albert, birthday ni Neng. Baka nakalimutan mo. Punta ka na ba sa cemetery? Nag-alay ka na ba ng bulaklak? Nagpag-isa ka na ba? Okay.
Hi,
God
Kaben.
bless.
Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. See you next December. December. Okay?
Okay naman?
Bye.
Hi, Uncle Ben. Happy birthday, and we wish you good health and regards to everybody out there. And this is for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.